Welcome back, everyone, to Pike County 4-H Life Skills Virtual Day Camp Series. Today's topic is basic vehicle maintenance, and we're going to jump right in with the icebreaker question. And with me here today, I have Joshua M., who's a 4-H'er with the Diamond City 4-H Club in Pike County. So on average, Americans drive their vehicles how many miles each year? Put your answers down in the comment section and see if you can guess it right. The answer is 10,000 miles. So that really means it's very important to keep your maintenance up on your vehicles so they're safe on the road. Our basic vehicle maintenance was done with 4-H'ers Kaylin C., Caden B., and Joshua M. And we're going to start off with Kaylin C. out of the Caddo River Gems in Pike County on how to check your vehicle's oil.
I'm Kaylin Cologne from the Pike County Caddo River Gems 4-H Club, and I'm going to demonstrate how to check your oil on a 2001 3500 Chevrolet 1-ton with an 8.1 liter engine. So first, you're going to pop the hood, and on the front of the hood there is a latch, and you're going to push it up, and then you'll be able to open the lid. So, once it's locked up there, you need to make sure that your vehicle is level and it has had enough time for the oil to run back down into the oil pan. So first, locate where your dipstick is at, and you're going to pull that out. Make sure you have a rag so you didn't get oil all over you and yourself. So you're going to wipe off the oil the first time, and when you reinsert it back in, all the way, it will give you an accurate reading of your oil level. So, you read it, and it shows that it is at a little bit past the 4th dot, which is good. That's a good. Oil level, and you're going to insert your dipstick back in because you're going to keep it there. So this is where you're going to insert oil whenever you need to redo your oil, change it. Here's the oil that we're using, a 10W30 Performance oil, and that works well with this vehicle. And when shutting your hood, make sure to shut it from the middle, because if you shut it from the sides, you can risk warping your hood. So thank you guys and have a nice day.
Excellent, Kaylin. Thank you so much for that. So the question is, how often should you change your vehicle's oil? It used to be normal to change the oil every 3,000 miles, but with most modern lubricants, most engines today have recommended oil change intervals of 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Moreover, if your car's engine requires full synthetic motor oil, it might go as far as 15,000 miles between services. But we always recommend check your owner's manual on your vehicle as to what is recommended, and that will keep you safe.
How to add windshield washer fluid to your vehicle with 4-H'ers Caden B and Joshua.
Hi, my name's Caden, and I'll be showing you how to put washer fluid in a vehicle.
Excellent job, gentlemen. So you should replace your windshield wipers. Wiper blades should be replaced every 6 months to a year or as soon as you notice a difference in driving visibility. When wiper blades no longer make proper contact with the windshield surface, they can begin to squeak, chatter, skip, smear, or streak, which is reducing your driving visibility.
Hey guys, windshield wipers are another thing of your vehicle maintenance. Either if they don't look like they're ready to go or they're broken, you may want to change them. You can go to a nearby hardware store or any type of store to get them, but that's just another part of vehicle maintenance.
And next up is how to check the air pressure in your vehicle's tires with 4-Hers Caden B and Joshua M.
When you're checking the amount of air in the tire, there's a certain PSI amount, and you gotta make sure it's that number of PSI, or you need to put more air in there.
Very good. And on that PSI, we always recommend you check your vehicle owner's manual, as well as on the side of the tire, it shows what the pressure should be in that tire. If you need any help, you can always go to your local automotive repair facility to ask questions on that, and they can help you out. And here is a quick video on how to check your air filter in your vehicle.
I'm Alan Stanley for Houdini.com. Today we'll be checking the air filter. This particular one has clips. Some require a screwdriver to loosen the fasteners. Simply snap the clips on this housing, push it forward, and gain access to the air filter. Remove the air filter and inspect it. Basically, you're just looking for dirt or debris that is picked up alongside the road. That's the purpose of an air filter. This one just has a little bit of dust, so we'll just bang it out with the back of our hands. Now, if it appears your filter has excessive dirt, run your hand across it. If your hand comes up dirty, it's time to replace that air filter. You want to check your air filter every time you change your oil. A dirty air filter can lead to poor gas mileage. I'm Alan Stanley for Houdini.com.
Wonderful. And also, you want to check your headlights, turn signals, brakes, and parking lights. This check should be performed often. You can walk around your car and look to make sure that all the lights are working properly. This will help keep you safe on the road. And next up is you want to rotate your tires. During rotation, each tire and wheel is removed from your vehicle and moved to a different position to ensure that all tires wear evenly and last longer. Tires should be rotated every 6 months or 6,000 to 8,000 miles.
Perform a battery check. This can be done at your local automotive store or automotive repair facility.
And check your coolant levels. Some service centers recommend checking your coolant once every 2 weeks, just to be safe. Although engine coolants last longer than 2 weeks, it is safe to check for leaks. This can help prevent any problems your engine could have due to low coolant levels. Thank you so much for joining myself and Joshua M. here from Pike County 4-H and learning basic vehicle maintenance. We hope you will join us again this afternoon for another 4-H Life Skills series at 2 p.m. So tune into our 4-H Facebook page and you can watch those. The rest of the Thursdays in July at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. we will be doing another life skills lesson. So I hope you join us then. Have a great day.